Alright, now that we've got our one side of our bridge built, we're going to copy that. So we can use the transform tool, select it all, click on the copy part, and we're going to translate by the X, Y, Z. I'm just going to grab that arrow, grab it across so I know which plane I'm working with, which is the Y, and change that number to 93.5. And the reason that is that weird number is so that my deck, which is 100 mils wide, will go right to the edge. Now what I want to do is have my little cross beams. So I'm going to find a little portion here of a beam just there. That's a nice little square bottom left there. I'm going to extrude that face. Let's move it across so you can see. There we go. Okay, and that one is going to be 87. Well, I'll make sure that's new. Excellent. Tick. Excellent. Right, now all I'm going to do is make that linear pattern again, and repeat that all the way across. Great. Now what I can do is do the same thing again, but copy those bottom ones and bring them up to the top. So I'll grab those 5 in the middle, select all of them, make sure that I am copying the part, translate by X, Y, Z, and up we go. That one taking it to the top of the beam, which will be, in my case, a 116. Enter. Lovely. Now ready for a deck. So to construct our deck, we need to create a sketch. We haven't got a plane to do that on, so we need to make a new plane. We're going to make an offset plane off the top. I'm going to select the top, go to that front view. I want it to be just on top of those bottom beams. So that'll be a 3.25, half the thickness of the member. Lovely. Alright, turn the top one off so I'm clear which one I'm working with. Excellent, so I'm going to draw my sketch on top of this one. Now if I've done all my measurements correctly, if I do a rectangle, which surrounds that, it should be 100 thick, which it is. Excellent, so I've done it all right. Beautiful. That's going to be my deck. I'm now going to extrude that shape. So to do so, I'm just going to turn all those other shapes off, hide other parts, hide all parts. Cool. So let's extrude that. Now the thickness of our balsa is 1 mil. Voila. Okay, let's bring all the other parts back, show all parts. Good. Now you can see there's obviously going to be some overlap there, so we're going to have to use the boolean tool again to cut the holes out of the deck for the beams. So I'm going to select all those beams. Boolean tool, so it's already selected those as the tools. I'm going to make it kept. I'm going to subtract that from part 43 here, which was my deck. Select. Excellent. Now as soon as that worked, I'm going to show hide all, that one, and then you can see it's all been cut out. So now that all the parts are there, it is ready for taking over to become a technical drawing.